How about another big hand for Mackenzie? Thank you for being out today, everyone. My name is Tarik S, and I'm a nurse practitioner here in the great state of Pennsylvania. I work as a nurse practitioner at the Family Practice and Counseling Network. We serve over 23,000 people here in this great state of Pennsylvania. A full 3,000 patients will lose their health care with the repeal of ObamaCare. The Affordable Care Act has been a godsend for our patients. Before, they could be without insurance and have no prospect of getting insurance. But because of ObamaCare, our Pennsylvania Health Clinic dramatically dropped our uninsured from 25% to under 10%. Also, thanks to ObamaCare, well over 20 million Americans are now insured with health insurance. Because of ObamaCare, people's medical debt dropped significantly as more Americans were covered, and because insurance companies could not deny you or impose yearly or lifetime caps on benefits. Also, fewer patients were readmitted back to the hospital because quality measures in ObamaCare forced hospitals to become creative and to offer better and more comprehensive patient care to our patients. Yes. Yes. And thanks to ObamaCare, we currently have the lowest uninsured rate in our nation's history. These are some of the many benefits of ObamaCare for patients across this country. But what happens if we lose ObamaCare? First and foremost, 28 million Americans will lose their health insurance. And patients and their providers like me and Mackenzie will no longer be in charge. Right. The power is going to go to insurance companies. They're going to be able to implement unreasonable rate hikes. They're going to be able to discriminate based on gender and pre-existing conditions. No! They're going to be able to take away our contraceptive coverage. No! And they're going to take Medicaid and government assistance away from the people who need it the most. No! Ladies and gentlemen, this is more than a political issue for us. It's a human rights issue. Yes! On a day-to-day basis as a healthcare provider, I don't see politics. I see people who need help. And I see how ObamaCare has helped them. Yes. Let me tell you a personal story that I was mentioning earlier. I had a patient that was diagnosed with hepatitis. This was a case that was a chronic condition that before ObamaCare, they would have been denied coverage because of the pre-existing condition. This was a hard-working Pennsylvanian. Because of ObamaCare, he was able to get the treatment that he needed, and he's being cured of this disease as I speak right now. There are countless stories like this gentleman's across our country. Let's be honest, our current health system is not perfect, but it is helping so many of our fellow Americans. With a full repeal of the Affordable Care Act, we all lose. Yes. We will lose 1.1 million American jobs. We're going to lose $1 trillion from our economy a year. We're also going to lose 5 American lives every hour. That's over 44,000 preventable deaths a year. In short, with the repeal of ObamaCare, we lose too much. We live in the greatest nation in the world. Am I right? Yes. Yes. President Lincoln, a great Republican president, called the United States of America the world's last best hope. Congressman Meehan, I ask you to stand with us and to protect our fellow Americans and protect our right to affordable health care, which is a human right and an American right. Yay! very much, everyone.